Hi, this is Kevin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the on-page or front end edit capability that Sitefinity has. So let's say you are browsing your firm's website and you're just checking out content to ensure it's accurate and up to date. And you happen to notice on your coworker's profile page that he actually has the wrong phone number listed. What you could do to edit this, you would normally go into Sitefinity, your CMS, and you would log in, and from the dashboard you would then have to browse through the navigation menus and try to find the content, open it, and edit it. But when you have the on-page edit capability, after you log in, you can go back to your website in the other window and hit refresh. So after you hit refresh, on Berta's profile now, you see in the top right hand corner there's an edit button. So now if I click that, it's going to open his profile in a new window, new tab, in edit mode. So I didn't have to search through the dashboard to try to find it. And now I can just scroll down, find the phone number, revise it, hit publish, go back to that other tab with the front end of the website open, and I'll refresh that page, and there you see the phone numbers updated. So that's how you can use the on-page edit feature of Sitefinity to update your content.